Now we'll discuss the present relationship between the United States and China as trading partners. The man referenced at the start of this presentation is John Pomfret, who on Thursday, February 16, 2017, at WITA, the Washington International Trade Association, discussed the past, present, and future direction of U.S.-China trade relations. The association sought out Pomfret to inform them in his views of where, as a trade community, they should be headed, holding the panel and various exhibits at the conference to gather and debate modern-day trade and investment concerns and how to address them. Pomfret, anticipating our group's selection for this project, discussed the historical setbacks, obstacles, and gradual evolution of the United States-China relationship. The panel and conference in general was a terrific success, with representatives from both the private sector as well as the public sector setting newly realized opportunities to deepen trade ties and focus on the country's interdependency in order to improve an appearance of cooperation and reinstill confidence for both of the countries' respective trade market. The need for this improvement is evident. The need for this improvement is evident in the various uproars our now 45th President Donald Trump caused during his campaign trail with various disparaging comments towards China, including claims of purposeful inflation of currency and declaring an end to the NAFTA agreement so that Americans could once again strive by encouraging the motto, Make American, Buy American. Between the years 2001 to 2015, the United States had a massive trade deficit with China, having grown exceedingly since the end of the Great Recession. The growth of that deficit can help explain the failure of manufacturing employment fully recovering along with the rest of the economy. Other studies have suggested the trade deficit has cost the United States millions of jobs since China entered the World Trade Organization in 2001. So what's next for these two countries? Let's discuss how the future of U.S. trade relations with China is going to either progress or recede, and where we are headed with other countries in the trade agreement as well. On the campaign trail, then candidate Donald Trump proposed a 45% tariff on all imports from China. This is problematic for a variety of reasons. The first being that China has seemingly surpassed the United States in a power play for the greater, stronger superpower. The second of which is the political climate, as previously discussed, with Chinese lawmakers hesitating to seem any less successful through a compromise with the United States. The population of China is very nationalistic, with its attitude towards the United States being quite ambivalent. China has since then set its wheels in motion and has begun exploring an idea of a one belt, one road that would allow trading more accessible with other countries. That being said, other countries who were a part of the NAFTA agreement with the United States have since then met with China to join their One Belt, One Road trade agreement. Since then, China's goal with the One Belt, One Road is to create the largest cooperating trading route between China and other countries. The United States-China trade war has become very fucking. The future for the United States-China trade relationship has turned into a war these past couple of months and is now looking weak on behalf of the United States since Donald Trump has put us in a difficult situation. Whether we can save future trading between the United States and China all depends on White House officials and members of Congress by putting a stop to Donald Trump. It is in our opinion that Donald Trump needs to ease off China's high demanding tariffs in order to accomplish this. The future of U.S.-China trade relations looks very uncertain and may perhaps come to an end.